Determination on the control characteristics of mineral processing technology indicators, and update. This study explores how specific material properties influence the mineral enrichment process, aiming to enhance quality control and optimize technological efficiency. By examining the material size and key testing parameters within mineral processing, the work identifies opportunities to reduce both production and energy costs. Accurate sampling reveals the distribution of valuable ore components, allowing for improved concentrate quality through targeted concentration methods. The research emphasizes the importance of selecting representative massive sections, showing that sample mass is closely linked to the ore's textural and structural characteristics, particularly the quantity and grain size of valuable materials. It is demonstrated that changes in material size significantly affect the distribution of intergrowths and magnetite content thresholds. To better control concentrate quality, a novel method is proposed to determine the size class distribution function of fine-grained materials using the log-normal distribution law. This approach applies regardless of physical properties, offering a robust framework for modernizing mineral processing strategies. Introduction. As the world shifts toward cleaner energy, the demand for certain important metals, known as critical metals, is growing. These metals are essential for renewable energy technologies but are often hard to source. Interestingly, mining and processing waste materials contain valuable amounts of these metals. This opens up the chance to recover them by reprocessing the waste. However, these waste materials behave differently from raw mined ores, so careful sampling and testing are needed to ensure quality. Errors in sampling, preparation, and testing can affect results, and understanding these errors helps improve accuracy. By identifying and reducing these errors, better control of the mineral processing steps can be achieved. This leads to better quality products and a more efficient process. The aim of this work is to show how the properties of materials influence the enrichment process, helping to make quality control easier and improve the overall efficiency of the process. Conclusions. The influence of some material characteristics on the enrichment process was studied. A method of selecting massive pieces in order to form a representative sample is considered. Studies have shown that with a change in the size of the pieces, there is a change in the limiting values of the valuable mineral in these pieces. An algorithm for determining the impregnation distribution function according to size classes is proposed. It was shown that the dependence of the dissemination function on the size distribution function of the product is nonlinear. A description of the size distribution function of fine particles is proposed in accordance with the log-normal law, regardless of their physical nature, that can be used for definition of crushed product quality. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.